How to make $10,000 per month with faceless YouTube channels and automation. Building a successful faceless YouTube channel to earn $10,000 per month can be achieved with a smart strategy, consistent effort, and a focus on automation. Here's a step-by-step approach to setting up a profitable faceless YouTube channel and leveraging automation tools to maximize efficiency. 1. Niche selection. Choose a profitable niche. Look for high CPM, cost per 1,000 impressions, niches with audiences willing to engage deeply. Some profitable niches include finance and investing, tech reviews, health and fitness, personal development, luxury and travel. Analyze competition. Check other channels in the niche to see what content works. Look for high views but low competition to stand out. 2. Content creation without showing your face. Scriptwriting. Hire a freelance writer to research and write engaging scripts. You can find writers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Voiceover. Use a human-sounding AI voice generator, like Speechelo or Descript, if you don't want to hire a voiceover artist. Video creation. Assemble videos with stock footage, animation, or slide presentations. Tools like Pictory, Canva, and InVideo can help create polished videos without needing to film. 3. Automation for efficiency. Automated content research. Use tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy to track trending topics and optimize keywords for better ranking. Scheduling. Use platforms like TubeBuddy or YouTube Studio scheduling feature to upload and schedule content for release at peak times. Automated video creation. Tools like Pictory and Animoto allow you to input text or slides, automatically matching visuals to the script. Thumbnail generation. Design visually appealing thumbnails quickly with Canva templates or automate basic designs with Photoshop actions. 4. Monetization strategies. Ad revenue. The main source of revenue comes from YouTube ads. To maximize this, create engaging content in high CPM niches. Affiliate marketing. Promote relevant affiliate products or services in your videos or descriptions. Channels in tech, finance, and health often succeed with affiliate sales. Sponsorships. Once you've gained traction, reach out to brands for sponsorships. Sponsored segments within videos or mentioning a product can add to monthly earnings. Merchandising. As your audience grows, consider selling branded merchandise via YouTube's merch shelf or platforms like Teespring. 5. Growing and engaging an audience. Optimize SEO. Use keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Tools like vidIQ can offer valuable insights into search volume and competition. Engage with viewers. Respond to comments, ask viewers to like and subscribe, and create a community around your channel. Consistency. Stick to a regular upload schedule, ideally 1 to 3 times per week. 6. Scaling with multiple channels. Set up additional channels. Once you've automated one channel, you can replicate the process in other niches. Outsource more tasks. Consider hiring a team, scriptwriter, editor, thumbnail designer, to handle multiple channels more efficiently. 7. Key tools for automation and efficiency. Research and optimization, vidIQ, TubeBuddy. Scriptwriting and editing, Fiverr, Jasper AI for content ideas. Video creation, Pictory, Animoto, InVideo. Thumbnails, Canva, Photoshop. Scheduling, YouTube Studio, TubeBuddy. 8. Expectations and scaling timeline. 3 to 6 months. Expect to spend time building an audience, optimizing content, and refining the automation process. 6 to 12 months. Consistent posting, engagement, and quality will grow your audience and monetization options, getting you closer to the $10,000 monthly goal. Achieving $10,000 per month on a faceless YouTube channel requires targeted niche selection, solid content creation, and strategic automation. With persistence and scaling, the returns can be substantial.